Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue our first lesson of information technology. In previous lesson, we have learned about types of computers, and in this video we will learn about characteristics of computers. Dear students, here are the main characteristics of computers. Speed. Computers work at a very high speed. They can perform millions of calculations in a few seconds. Versatility. Computers can perform various tasks from solving sums to designing spacecraft. Accuracy. Computers give accurate results. They never make mistakes until the people using them give wrong instructions. Diligence. Computers never get bored. They can perform the same task again and again for a long period of time without getting bored. Storage capacity. Computers are capable of storing huge amounts of data which can be retrieved easily as and when required. So dear students, in this video we have learned about characteristics of computers, and in next video we will learn about computer memory. So watch the video carefully.